Standard 9, Chapter 2. On page number 41, example number 18, illustrations you are given. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cubed plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. That means you are given that, already given, x minus 1 is a factor or not. In previous case, we have to check this one. Is it a x minus 1 is a factor or not? While here you are given that x minus 1 is a factor. That means compare this divisor, x minus 1 is equal to 0, p1 is equal to 0. That is you are given. That is you are given. Now px is equal to 4x cubed plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. P1 value of px when x is equal to 1, 4, 1 cube, 3, 1 square minus 4 plus k. P1 is equal to what? 0. 4 into 1 plus 3 into 1 minus 4 plus k. So 0, 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus k. 4, 4 cancel. 3, change the sides. So k is equal to minus 3 is your answer. Get it? So what you have to, x minus 1 is a given, therefore p1. p1 is equal to 0, put this value and find this value. Illustrations number, example number 30. Factorize 6x square plus 17x plus 5. In previous case we have seen it. But in this case I think so. Here coefficient of x square is 1. So what will we do? We make this part only. Now what you have to do? 6 multiplied by 5. 6 multiplied by 5, 30. Now split the 70 in such a way that sum of these two parts is 17 and multiplications of these two parts, product of these two parts is 30. 6 5. So I will factorize this one. 30, 15, 3, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. So 30, I will get this from 2 15s are 2 3 5s are 2 3s are 6 5 and 2 5s are 10 and 3. 2 and 15, 6 and 5, 10 and 3. Suppose here you are given 11, then you will take 6 and 5. Suppose you are given here 30, then you will take 10 and 30. You are given here 70. So I will take 2 and 15. A plus b, 2 plus 15, 17. A into b, 2 into 15 is equal to 30. 6x square plus 2x plus 15x plus 5. Now from this, take the common. 2x is common, therefore 3x plus 1. 5 is common, 3x plus 5. 3x plus 1 common, bracket. So you will get 2x plus 5, 3x plus 1 is your answer. Get it? And second opinion. Illustrations, example number 14. Example number 14, that is your illustration. Factorize it very small. We have done this same example. Y square minus 5y plus 6. Split the 6 in such a way that the product of these two parts is 6 and sum of these two parts is minus 5. 6 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 minus 2 minus 3 6. Y square minus 2y minus 3y plus 6. Y minus 2 minus 3 y minus 2. Y minus 3 y minus 2. Y minus 2 y minus 2 is common. This bracket is common. From this you will get this y minus 2. From this minus 3. Minus 3. So this plus sign changes minus 2. 5 minus 3 y minus 2, that is your answer. Get it? Now example number 2.4. Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 is a factor. x plus 1 factors છે કોણ છે તે આપણે કહો. Then compare this common for all example number 1, you are given 4 example. 4 or 5 example. These steps is common for all. Okay. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Then find the p minus 1. Common for 1 up to here. Up to here. Okay. If x p minus 1 is equal to 0, then it is a factor of px. P minus 1 is equal to not 0, then it is not factor of px. Get it? In short, find p minus 1. If your answer is 0, then it is a factor. If answer is not 0, then it is not factor. First example, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. P minus 1. Replace x by minus 1. Minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. You will get the 0. Answer is 0, so x plus 1 is a factor. So x plus 1 is a factor. Example number 2. X raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Put the value of x. X is replaced by minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 plus 1 minus 1 raised to 3 minus 1 minus 1 raised to square plus 1 plus minus minus 1 1 cancel, only 1 is remaining. So it is not equal to 0, therefore x plus 1 is not factor of given px. Next, px x cube plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. X is replaced by minus 1. P minus 1. Value of polynomials when x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4. 3 minus 1 raised to 3. 3 multiplied minus 1 square plus minus 1 1. See here, minus 1 raised to 4 is equal to plus 1. 3 minus 1 cube minus 1 3 minus 1 square plus 1, that is minus 1 plus 1. 3 ones are minus 3, 3 ones are plus 3, minus 1 1. So alternately it is equal to, final answer is 1. Final answer is 1. There is not equal to 0. So x plus 1 is a non-factor of this given px. Clear? Now example number 4. X cube minus x square minus 2 into bracket. It is given into bracket. Into bracket x plus root 2. X is replaced by minus 1. Minus 1 cube minus 1 no square 1 minus 2 plus root 2 minus 1 1. That is minus 1. That is 1. That is plus 1. 2 plus 2 root 2 plus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. That is plus 2. That is root 2. That is 2 cancel. 2 root 2 is not equal to 0. So it is not factor of given px. Get it? Example number 2. Same method. Use the factors theorems to determine gx, that means divisor, is a factor of px in each of the following case. Is it a gx? In this case, previous example, we are given x plus 1 is gx for all. Divisor common for all example. Here, each and every example, divisor is changed. Px is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Here first divisor is x plus 1 given. X plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. Now p minus 1, 2 minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 2 minus 1 1. 2 minus 1 1 2. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. You will get the 0. So x plus 1 is a factor of given px. Get it? Now you are given in second example x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Your divisor gx as x plus 2. X plus 2 is 0, therefore x is equal to minus 2. Find this one. Minus 2 no cube, x minus 2. X is replaced by minus 2. 3 here, minus 2 no square. 3 here, minus 2 plus 1. Minus 8, 2 2s are 4 into 3. 3 2s are minus 6 plus 1. Minus 8, 4 3s are 12 minus 6. Minus 8 minus 6 minus 14 plus 12. 13. Here it is 12 plus 1, 13. Minus 1. Minus 14 plus 13 minus 1 is not equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2 is not factor of given px. And now factor nothing. Is it clear? It is not factor because p minus 2 is not equal to 0. Now, px x cube minus 4x plus x plus 6. Check for x minus 3. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. P3, 3 no cube. X is replaced by 3. Minus 4 as it is. 3 no square plus 3 plus 6. 27. 3 3s are 9 minus 2. 3, 6. 27 minus 36. 36 minus 36. Yes. X minus 3 is the factor of given px. Easy છે. ડિવાઇઝર ને તમારે 0 સાથે કમ્પેર કરી દેવાનું, x શોધી લેવાનું, p2 ની વેલ્યુ શોધી લેવાનું. 0 આવે તો કહેવાનું yes, otherwise not. Okay, if factor is given then p3 is equal to 0 and k ની વેલ્યુ શોધી લેવાનું. Finish. Example number 3. Find the value of k of x minus 1 is a factor of px. Now here, I only details for some reason. Here you are given such first example. Here you are already given that x minus 1 is a factor. So x minus 1 is factor. Therefore x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Therefore p1 is equal to 0 થાય. Okay, તો આપણે અહીંયા ગણી px is equal to x square plus 2 x square plus x plus k. p1 1 no square plus 1 plus k. X is replaced by k. What you want to find? Find the value of k. P1 is equal to what? By 1 it is 0. 1 plus 1 plus k. 0, 2 plus k. Change the sign. Minus 2 is equal to k. And here આપણે minus 2 મૂકે. અહીંયા 1 મૂકે. 1 plus 1 minus 2. 0 થઈ જાય. It is, so k is equal to minus 2. Get it? Now second example. Don't worry about it. I will send it by the PDF file. Okay? So I have written first here. Second, x square plus px. Okay? Px is equal to what? 2x square plus kx plus root 2. Plus root 2. Now what you want to find? X minus 1 is a factor. Therefore x minus 1 is 0, x is equal to 1, p1 is equal to 0 by factor theorems. Our factors say that p1 0 થઈ જાય. p1 0 થાય તો x minus 1 factor થાય. Clear? So px is equal to 2x square plus kx plus 12. Got it? No 12. It is a square root 12. Square root 2. It is already given here. P1 2 1 square plus k1 plus root 2. P1 0, 2 1s are 2 plus k plus root 2. minus 2 minus root 2 is equal to k, changes sign. So that is your answer. The value of k is equal to minus 2 minus 2. If you want to simplify, you can do this. So that is your answer. Get it? Chapter number 2, example number 4, exercise number 2.4. Exercise number 2.4. Okay, example number first one of the example number 1. 12x square minus 4x plus 1. Factorize it. Trigonometry, simple. 12 ones are 1. 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2 and 3 2s are 6. 12 is equal to. Then 2 2s are 4 multiplied by 3. Then 3 2s are 6 and 3. Same. So, and next one is not necessary, 12 ones are 2. That is 3 factors. 2 6 are 4 3s are. Okay, like this way. Which two part is there? 4 and 3. Minus 4 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 7. Minus 4 3s are is equal to plus 12. Because plus is here. 12 ones are 12. So you have to take. Multiply the coefficient of x square with this constant last term. Then make the part. Be careful. Now 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. What is your common? 4x is common. 3x minus 1 minus 1 common. 3x plus converted into minus 1. 3x is minus common factor. 4x minus 1. That is your which answer. Okay. Example number 7. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. 3 2s are 6. 6, 2, 3, 1, 1. So 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Now 2 plus 3, 5. 5 is not here. Then which factor is? Available factor also. Why did you check me? One factor is there. यहाँ 12 ones are. 6 ones are is there also. Be careful. Such types of this type of example. 2x square plus 7x plus 6. 6 ones are 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to plus 6. 2x square plus x plus 6x plus 3. X and 6x is your part. 7 you have split x and 1 and 7. Be careful. What is your common x? 2x plus 1. What is your common plus 3? 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 is your common factor. X plus 3 is your answer. Get it? Now example number 3. Such types of the example you have done also in standard 9. Example number 3. 1, 2, 3. So here 6x square plus 5x minus 6. 6 6 are 36. Be careful, it is minus. 2 18, 2 9, 3 3, 3 1. 36, 2 into 3 3 are 9 2 are 18. 4 9. 2 to the 4, 4 3 are 12 into 3. Okay. Then we check factor 6 6 are. Such types of the pair you can find it. ઘણી બધી તમને પેર મળી જશે. નાઉ what is your plus 5? 9 minus 9 plus minus 4 is equal to plus 5. 9 4s are 36. 9 multiplied by minus 4 is equal to minus 36. So 6x square plus 9x minus 4x. It is not compulsory that you add the first 9x then 4x. If you can interchange also, don't worry about it and don't take tension for this one. Is equal to 3x. 2x plus 3 minus 2. 2x plus 3. Be careful, minus here, so change the sign. 2x plus 3 is your common factors. So write it first one. Example number 4. Example number 4. Fourth example, 3x square minus x minus 4. 4 3s are 12. So 2 6 2 3 3 1. What is your 12 2 6 4 3 1 12. 4 3 minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3. Right? Wrong. Minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. Get it? Minus 4 multiplied by 3 minus 12. 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. X is common, 3x minus 4. What is your common? Nothing. At that time, what you have taken? 1 is common. જ્યારે કઈ કોમન નહીં નીકળતો હોય ત્યારે 1 લઈ લેવાનો. This is common factor 3x minus 4x plus 1. 3x minus 4x plus 1, that is your answer. Clear?